Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my Bunjal chicken recipe. Now this is going to be a perfect cutters for you all to make this Oliers or this season. So if you'd like to see how to make this, which you can make year round also, keep watching. It's going to be a very simple, easy and delicious recipe to make. So we're going to start this recipe with our washed and clean chicken, and we're going to season with chopped tomatoes, chopped scallions, also known as thyme, pimento peppers chopped, onion chopped, complete seasoning or all-purpose seasoning, next goes salt, green seasoning, fine thyme, and we're going to give this a mix. Now I forgot to add in my garlic, so I'm going to go ahead and add that in now, and I'll mix that in. So you want to give that a good mix and allow it to marinate overnight or for an hour, or you can even use it right away. So to my skillet I'm adding in my oil. Before the oil gets hot, we're going to go in with our methi or fenugreek seeds and our cumin seeds, and we're going to allow these to toast until they're darker brown in color. So just move them around a little bit. You don't want them to burn, but you do want them to darken. So once they darken, we'll go in with our aromatics. I have scallions, onions, some curry leaves, peppers, pimento peppers in there, and we're going to toast this until it's light brown in color. Now that it's light brown, we're going to go in with our mild curry powder. Now I'm doing a combination of curry powders here. So I'm using this mild, and then I'm going to be using the 9 spice curry powder. It really does give you a different layer and level of taste and flavor. In goes amchar masala and some roasted ground geera. The notes and the levels of flavor you'll get in this is beyond compared to just a regular plain curry. So we're going to toast this on a low heat until it feels grainy. I did add in a little more oil because it was too dry for me. And once it feels grainy, we'll go in with water to help cook the curry. You're going to add in your water, add about a 1/4 cup to 1/3 of a cup, and give that a mix. Now you'd want your heat to be on a medium high here. We want the curry to start to cook down. This curry is going to start to thicken. The oils will start separating. Once the oil starts separating from the curry like this, that's when you'll know. That's the indication that it's ready for the protein. So now I'm gonna add in my seasoned chicken. Scrape off any excess seasonings you have in your bowl, because we're not adding any water to cook this. We're bunjing it down dry. So give it a mix. Make sure that all of the pieces of chicken are coated with that curry. You want this to start to fry up or bunjay down. Once that happens, it's going to add flavor and color to the outside of the chicken, and once it starts to stick to the bottom of your skillet or pot, it's now ready to be covered. So this is where you will cover it. Remember, we're not adding any liquid to have this cook. The steam is going to help it cook. So use a very heavy bottom pan so you have a heavy cover, so you can trap that steam in there. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Then remove the cover, and you see how much sauce is in there. That's why you want to use a heavy cover. You're going to give this a mix, and you're going to allow it to continue to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken pieces are tender and the sauce dries out. Now Bunjal chicken usually comes very dry, but of course if you wanted to leave some sauce, you can. Now you want to taste and adjust your salt. And to finish this, we're finishing it off with some roasted geera powder, also known as roasted cumin powder. It's going to add that finishing flavor. Mix that in, and then this is ready to be served. How simple, easy, and delicious was this? Well, I know you guys can't taste it, but trust me, it was really delicious. So if you guys enjoyed today's recipe, comment down below, let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Do remember to stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.